Dito yung ano.
TK.
Great drawing.
Ito, music. Gusto nyo?
Sure.
What? I'll die.
Bakit?
Ito.
Ito na lang.
Kailangan
Basta
ba
cash
mag-type?
9 players.
Makain ako ng chichirya eh.
Ang laki ng problema. Also, parang gusto kong bumili ng chichirya.
Naingit ka rin.
TIQG.
Kumuha ng pizza kanina eh. Yet, sali ka?
Hindi lang. Nood lang. Pakain din ako chichirya.
Choose your avatar.
TIQC.
Mali yung sinabi mo.
Ay, naunahan
Ay,
ako
mali.
sa display
UG.
mo.
We're waiting for Cry and
Sai.
Sai.
I want to be bird person.
Ano yung, what's that? Code?
Ah, TIQG. Ano ba yung T? Tango, what's I?
Infinite.
India.
Tango, India, what's Q? Lahat tinanong eh.
Kerida.
Want a room code? Sure you do. TIQG.
Golf. Oh, may ganun.
Oh, they're all taken na.
Ang
Looking for a room
accessibility.
code? You got it. TIQG.
Start
Anong
the
wala
game
pa?
na.
Josiah.
Diyos niya.
Oo nga, no? Hindi na pala pwede mag-join si Jet.
Oo nga, hindi 8
Nood
lang
lang.
pala.
Nood lang.
I think meron yata isang game dito na ano eh. Pwedeng 10.
Bakit I'm waiting lang? Ano to? I-refresh mo yata yung page.
Return Joy.
Iba na.
Refresh mo yung Jackbox.
Naiwan ka dun sa kanina.
May audience.
Audience. I'll join. Paano ka mag-join?
Hindi ka na pwede mag-join.
Yan, OB.
Ano
Yan,
na
OB.
ba?
Join as audience.
Ayan na si OB eh. Di ba?
Okay, game na.
Si Jet yung nagsasalita. Hello.
Ah, okay.
Mag-usap na kayong batchmates kayo.
Hello.
Okay, hindi na natin
Hindi, okay
kailangan
lang,
ng
okay lang.
story.
Look
Baka
up.
may instruction siya how to play eh.
Text me if you're ready.
Okay, magta-time travel sila to 2025.
Hey, welcome to Time Jinx, a game for me, my closest friends, and the rest of you. Just as a reminder, pals, this is a 3.5 round game. Let's get into it.
3.5 rounds.
Ano yung kanahating round?
Basta.
Here's your first mission. Look, I
No.
even nailed down the time frame.
The hell?
Oh no!
Ano yung
Punch in your dates
1930s.
Cry!
1930s.
Hindi
Secret
tayo magka,
dapat.
ano, hindi
Oh.
tayo magkakampi.
Ito, lahat tayo sasagot.
Ah, okay.
I guess.
Pero maganda kung sinasabi na lang sa atin ni Cry yung mga sagot. Tapos hindi natin ina-explain sa
Saka hindi
kanya.
mo sinabi. Paano to?
Ba't si Casey?
Closest gets it ba?
Let's see
Siguro.
where
Naku,
you're
nandito
going.
ako sa kahapon.
Ano mangyayari?
Ah!
Bakit dalawa?
Bawal
hindi
magkapareho?
yun. Ah.
Your score is how many total years you're off on these missions.
Kala ko,
Ang
ano,
lugi natin.
The
Wait,
better.
was it plus 70? Ah, different distance.
New mission.
After
coming
World War
at
II
ya.
pa pala.
Mas mataas yung score pag mas malayo ka dun sa tama.
Ano ba? Tama ba? Naliwan?
Ano?
Ayun. Pati may supposed to do.
You put
Travel
in
down the
your
years.
Put in the year.
between 95 and 2010.
I should always date. Okay, time trivia.
Ang ganda ng 95.
Sagad ba?
Wow!
Good job.
Is this golf scoring?
Oo nga eh.
Pababaan ng score.
Naiintindihan.
Pababa na
Babaan
score
si-
siguro.
Oo nga, kanina
First
pa sinabi.
pride flag. The
Okay.
Huh.
So am I supposed to
Type in the year, type in
get
the
the
year.
actual... I know, but which year?
The year the first
Wala,
Crisis
ano?
debuted.
Yung hula
Am I
mo.
supposed to have learned it or not?
Wala.
No, you're supposed to get it.
You're supposed to get
Year
it.
lang.
Okay, I'm supposed to get it. Okay.
Weird on yung goal mo, you're supposed to not get it.
Jinx.
Kasi yung scoring hindi ko naintindihan.
Weird nga scoring.
Ano score?
No!
Wow.
Bakit alam mo?
Sa
Wala.
alphabet.
It's time for some time hopping. I'm sending you to 3 parties across 3 different decades. The goal is to respond without blowing your cover. If all goes well, you'll get some years taken off your score. Deal? Deal.
Kaso goal scoring.
Oh, I'm losing. Jesus.
Why are you wearing that big ass mountain hat?
Respond with the answer that shows you belong.
Okay, I know this.
This is what you should have said.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Next decade, let's go.
Where's my points?
No way. I heard Hinckley shot Reagan to impress an actress.
Well-known trivia naman talaga.
Well known para kay Cry.
What?
Oh, tamo siya lang tama.
Next decade.
Freebie.
Wear your seatbelt
Yeah, lang.
and also
Okay.
install.
Bakit? Actress naman si Sigourney Weaver nung 80s ah. I don't understand.
Scatman. How's it go again?
Parang
Oh, yes.
No!
Some years off your score if you manage to blend in.
Ang galing ni Wawang ah.
Let's see who's winning with the lowest score. That was a weird sentence.
Not me, okay.
Galing ni Liz ah.
It's the second round. Let's keep this train choo-chooing.
Oh.
Put in your dates now.
Ano yung effect pag may jinx?
And here's
Wala.
where everyone wound up.
Parang wala. Still get, you get more points yata. Oh no. Did I not get it?
No.
Oh, 7.
Sabi na nga ba eh.
Sabi
Okay,
na.
new strat.
Layo eh.
Here's your next mission.
No.
Uy,
man.
Cloud Monet.
Grabe.
Kailan siya namatay?
We're the illiterates.
Oh, I'm gonna do my new strat. Let's go.
New strat.
Laki ng range.
Pipiliin mo ba yung dulo ng range? Is that your strat?
No!
Jinx!
No!
Wow, ang layo. Ang layo.
Duge.
Here's the next one.
Si Cry pa yung most literate.
Uy, excuse. Kailan nga to? 20...
Guys, I'm winning.
Sobra yata ako.
Tagal pinag-isipan tayo.
He's going through the Daniel Radcliffe filmography.
Filmography.
Tapos na-realize siya, wait, this isn't a film?
Good job.
Maaga pala yun.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm doing so terribly. I don't like this game.
Hot diggity dog, we're in a time loop. You'll see the
Hot
same pair of
diggity dog.
questions twice. You have the choice to keep your first answer, or you can take a risk and switch it. Your score will be reduced for every correct answer. Knock 'em dead. But don't kill anyone. And yes, the time loop happens in a modified freezer. Don't think about it too hard, okay?
Baba lang ata eh.
I
Girl?
guess what can make me feel this way?
My girl, my girl.
My girl, my girl. Hindi lang yun.
Ito na yun.
Talking about my girl.
Stick with the
My
Oo,
girl.
mababa yung napili ko.
Consider this first.
Uy, the player in first selected this. Sino yun? Si Wang.
Wang.
Mali yan.
Mali yan.
Sige.
Oh shit!
Oh, yes.
Yes!
Yes.
Kainis.
Here's some credit for you.
Yay. Oh no, I'm still...
Maganda
Ah,
percentage na eh.
To the scoreboard.
What the
Striking
Oh, no.
distance.
Lumayo ako lalo.
To the third round. So, small problem. I forgot to mention this, but there are consequences for testing the limits of time. That alarm means there's an imposter on the loose. Oops.
Uy, Among Us.
What the? The real Karl Marx and his evil clone from an alternate timeline are here. Quick, save the real version.
Save the real one.
If you spot
Yay.
the imposter, congrats.
Oh, no.
I'm lowering your score.
No.
Yay!
Oh yeah.
That was weird.
Wait, if my score is higher, the negative is bigger.
Oh,
The-
parang catch-up
Camera turns
mechanism
so hot,
siya.
you'll be receiving
Yes,
some hints
yes,
from
yes.
your future self. Why doesn't your future self just tell you the answer? Well, that's between you two.
Future me's a jerk.
Yun yung may exclamation point.
May
May
hints
hint
kami.
kami.
May hint sila.
Kasi we're doing terribly.
Kasi ano,
How do I enter?
mas
Bakit
pogi
kasama
kami.
si Obi?
I-close mo yung ano.
Closer
yung
hint.
hint.
No, mali.
Mababa yung ano niya, yung score
Ba't
niya.
di pa rin ako nakaka-enter?
Close mo yung hint.
Ah.
May
Click.
Can I
click
close
the
yung hint? Okay.
Yeah. Ah! Pero
Kaya, hindi ba right after the Cuban Missile Crisis? Ay, hindi, after World
Yun
War
nga
II.
eh. Oo nga.
Missile
Akala
Crisis
ko-
yung inisip mo.
Oo.
I got you all a little something. It's a new mission.
Ay! Okay.
Wala.
Ah, feeling ko earlier. Sobra yata.
Grabe. Noong una na-close ko agad yung hint before reading it. Kasi parang I instinctively close pop-ups.
Thanks.
Thanks. Is it me? Yeah!
Layo.
Thanks, Tina.
Bago lang pala.
Ang obvious nung gano'n is
Oh,
hindi mo
bago-bago
malagay.
yun.
Uy, Tour de France.
What the hell?
Who's this?
Ko 60 yung range.
Teka lang.
What the hell? Si Clyde nagmamath pa eh.
No, teka pa, mali yata.
Si Obi may hint, pero si Cole wala.
Mga
Oo
may...
nga eh.
Oo.
Kanina pa yan eh. Kanina ang baba ng score niya eh, pero may hint.
Ibig sabihin, mahina yung future self.
Ganun ba yun?
Oh no, hindi ko na-enter.
You're here, 1910.
Wow.
Excuse me.
Yes!
Hindi,
Layo.
in-enter ko naka-type out sa akin 19 pero hindi ko na-enter. Ewan ko bakit
It's time
19.
to
Inabot
fix
ka ng
the
time.
butterfly effect. By messing with the past, we've altered the space-time continuum. Your objective is to correct the ridiculous realities we've created. Let's go!
Mayan, ang layo ko.
Ay,
Let's go.
Night Swang.
Mali yata.
Yay.
Ako lang
Did
mali.
you choose?
Players that did well are getting their scores reduced.
Odyssey ka
I
ba?
answered
Everybody else,
Beowulf.
just sit quietly. Scores?
Man,
Let's see them.
hindi na naman ako mananalo.
Wow.
Good job.
Laki ng habol ah.
Oo nga.
Well, would you look at the time?
Lakas
We
ng
have
hint
room
eh.
for one more task.
Oo,
And this
actually.
time,
I have never seen a hint.
Huwag mong galingan sa early, no? What?
What is the
This is the
future
future.
year? Kasi yung pa plus 100 ko siya sa debut.
No, that doesn't make sense. Sige na, I'm already doing terribly. I'll just aim for last place. Tatalunin kita, Wang.
and for this last one, you can only reduce your score, not increase it. Which again, is good.
Okay. Hindi na kita matatalo, Wang.
Jinx.
Yay.
Sayang.
Translates to credit.
Sayang nag-jinx tayo.
Meron pa rin naman eh.
Meron
Oh, yeah.
Ano naman kung jinx?
Walang
Akala ko
penalty.
Zero. Oh, okay.
Wala.
And I get nothing. I still get something. Pero kahit na.
Panalo si Clue.
Let's take a
No.
look at the scoreboard.
Bakit? Mas mataas yung dinikris sa'yo.
Yes!
Second
Oh.
place ka kanina eh.
What the?
Talo ko si Wang.
Time to find out who won.
Dini-reveal.
Oh, wow, okay.
Congrats. But I mean,
I was
look at
guessing
your
everything.
competition.
Isa pa?
I don't like this.
Tama na, gabi na eh.
Puro time.
Sige, GG.
Gabi.
Oh, 11 na pala. Setera, isang setera.
Isa pa.
What's a Cetera?
Let's introduce Clue to setera.
The geography, the geography